Hey, welcome to my channel. If you are in New Zealand, today I would like to tell you how to get free access to over 16,000 free professional tutorials and certificates. There are 3 steps to do. If you already have a library card, just jump to step 3. Let's get started. Step 1 is to find a library near you. You could search all libraries in New Zealand on Google. Scroll down and you will find a directory. Use a map to find out the right library for you. Then step 2 is to apply for a library card online or offline. Let's take Auckland Library as an example. Search it on Google, get into the website and click Join the Library on homepage. Here is the form you need to fill in. Follow these steps and you can get your e-membership card very soon. The process is similar for Wellington libraries and others. This is my library card. Very lovely, right? You could get one if you walk into a library offline. On the back of the card, the string of numbers is your library card number. After that, it comes to step 3. Go to LinkedIn Learning website and explore all resources for free. First, search Auckland Library Linda, as Linda was bought by LinkedIn in 2015, and now it is called LinkedIn Learning. Open the study help page, click Go to LinkedIn Learning, and you need to log in with your library card number and a password you set after finishing membership card application. The process will be similar to Wellington libraries. When you firstly get into LinkedIn Learning, you can set up topics you are interested in, such as business analytics, BI, marketing, web development, and so on. You could set a weekly learning goal later. On the homepage, you can see some courses they recommend. Open the browsers. On the top left, you can find all topics and courses you want. Let's take an example. Search digital marketing on the search bar, scroll down, find and open the learning path named Improve Your Digital Marketing Skills. You can see the overview of the path. It includes 15 courses here to enhance your digital marketing skills. You will earn 1 professional certificate after finishing each course. Let's open one of them, like Content Marketing Foundation. You will see catalog, video, notebook, and transcript, which will help you a lot. Go back to My Learning and open Learning History. You can find all courses you have finished and a certificate to download. This learning path was certified by American Marketing Association before, but it is totally free. If you want to add your certificates into your CV as education experiences, I suggest you could log in your LinkedIn. Click Add in the license and certificates on your personal profile and fill in some details. All of your achievement here will absolutely encourage yourself and prove your skills and mindset to people. Thanks for watching my video. If you think this video can help you, give it a like and share it. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel. We know this is hard for everyone in the post-COVID-19 world, but do not just stay there. We can do more. We can learn knowledge, upskill ourselves, and push through.